Well, good evening everybody. It is a Friday night after work and I'm just about to get ready for a 300 kilometre bike ride in the morning. Going to get up at 6 o'clock, hopefully getting home about 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock Saturday evening. And it will be my first 300 kilometre ride of 2019, and it will also actually be my first 300 kilometre ride of the winter. Not just this winter, but won't be my first ride out in the winter for such a distance. And to be fair, it's not saying a lot because at the moment, if you're not from the UK, you probably won't know this, but we're experiencing an exceptionally mild week, really, and it's going to continue on through the weekend. Temperatures in the mid-teens and higher, which is pretty much unheard of in February in the UK. So it's going to be a winter ride in name only. So where exactly we'll be riding tomorrow? It's going to be all local roads around Lincolnshire. Going to be an anti-clockwise route. I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn the laptop on and sort you through the route. So yeah, I've got my laptop set up here. We're going to have a look together. I'm going to be leaving, like I say, at 6 o'clock in the morning. Just over to the right of the grid here in Humberston, which is in the north-eastern most part of the county of Lincolnshire. We'll just turn the elevation on so we can have a look at that as well. And there's a bit of there's tailwind, well, the wind is coming from the in a south-southeast direction. So, and it's not going to be blowing a lot this weekend. It's going to be really nice blue skies for most of the afternoon. But the first hour, we're going to have a bit of a tailwind. It's not going to take me that long, to be honest. It can reach the top here, just outside Immingham, where I'm going to be flying down Roxton Lane through Keelby, Great Limber. We start to reach the Lincolnshire Wolds here as we reach Graspy at the top for this particular ride I'll be taking. Now we're going down Brig Road just a little while before flying down Ownby Hill towards North Keltsey Moor, and it's going to be flat for a long time. As you can see, the profile doesn't change uphill until about here really, and that's as I reach, I think it's as I cross over the A15, yes, through near Bishop Norton. And zoom out a little bit, we're going to be joining the B1241, I think it is, through Kexby, Willingham, Saxelby, South Carlton, all the way through Lincoln, joining the Water Railway. So click on do on that one. And then there'll be first cafe stop will be in Bardney. It's about 120 kilometres in, and I'll be winding my way all the way down to Hubbart's Bridge, which is southish Lincolnshire towards Boston, through all those small lanes. I'll be staying off the A52 as much as I possibly can, through Frisney, Wainfleet, All Saints for I think it's about 150k by this point. Let's have a look now, about 210 or something like that. 215k, I'll be stopping at Skegness, hopefully about 3:30 in the afternoon for a second cafe break at, I think it's Coffee Bean. The Coffee Bean Cafe. Excuse me. So it'll be late afternoon, I suppose, by that point, as I start to go north. I'll be having a bit of the tailwind behind me once more. Through Chapel St Leonard's, there's a co-op there, so I might just buy a drink if I need anything else. And for the final third of the ride, I'll be coming on to the Lincolnshire Wolds again. A nice tailwind behind me. I'll be entering the Lincolnshire Wolds at Willoughby, and going through Skenderby, Salter there, up towards Alsby Cross. But there's another garage there as well, actually, so if I feel like I need to top up my water or buy anything, I can stop there if I need to. We're 250 kilometres in by this point, and you can see the profile. It's a little bit lumpy, but there's nothing extreme in there at all. I've tried to stay away from any big hills. And I'll be heading north towards Oxcombe, heading west here at this point rather. And I'll be following the Bluestone Heath Road, which cuts all the way through the centre of the Wolds. Keep going through Kelstone. These are back on local roads to me now. Wall Newton, And there's a bit of a climb up here. That's that. If you look at the profile here, right at the end, it jumps up. Is that 6% there? 6.4%, and then literally drop off the Lincolnshire roads and roll back home to Humberston. One final thing before I start the ride tomorrow, I decided to print this off at work. It's going to help me get around tomorrow, so I'm trying to look it down with my phone because it's too close to the camera. So yeah, I've got times on there. I'm going to do 10 minutes at 30k an hour, 15 minutes at 29, 20 minutes at 28. Then more or less going to do the same in the second third of the ride as well. Just write down the distances to the cafe as well. And the final third will definitely be slower, so I'm not going to try and go too fast for that final third of the ride. So basically I'm going to attach this, probably sellotape it or masking tape it to the top tube of the bike, so I can keep an eye on that during the ride. So all I've got to do now before the morning is to pack everything ready for the morning. I'm going to try and go as light as possible. I know it's 300k, but it's going to be really pleasant, so I don't need to take any waterproof clothing or anything like that. I'm not going to bother with overshoes. I'm just going to head out there light as possible and just have a great time, really, because it's blue skies all day long, light winds. What more could you ask for in February? It's going to be, I'm hoping it's going to be a trouble-free day.